Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over some do's and don'ts for upper body. I've got 3 exercises that I want to point out do's and don'ts for. You're going to need a pair, well, you're not going to need anything. Just watch the video. Before we get started, don't forget, click the link in the description box down below, get the January calendar, and let's get into this. Okay, so I'm using these dumbbells just to show you guys because this is usually what I see sometimes in the gym. Men and women do the same exact thing because they're using too much weight for the amount of muscle that they actually have or strength that they have. So first one I see is rocking. Somebody who has too heavy of dumbbells might rock their way forward to do some kind of arm lifting or dumbbell curl. This motion right here, and I'll show you guys from the side. So it's a swinging motion. You're kind of building momentum with your body to get the weight to come up when it's actually supposed to just be standing nice and still, back is straight, core is tight, and you bring your arms out and then you lower them. Or same thing here, you just bring your arms up and you keep the body straight. You're not seeing any rocking, you're not seeing the motion of my chest go forward. So sometimes it's this right here, and then you wanna come back. So this rocking motion is the don't, okay? The do is the proper way, which is just the arms come forward, the body's nice and straight, you're keeping everything tight, and you having good form, and you're not gonna hurt yourself by lifting too much weight that you can't even carry. Second thing is I see the elbow digging. So this is also because people wanna lift more than they can handle. Using the elbow into the side to bring the weight up as almost a crutch right here. So this is, do not do this. When you are doing a dumbbell curl, your arms should be away and not touching your waist at all or your midsection. In fact, your arms should just be, doing their own thing. So stay away from this right here. And it can be prevented by just lifting the amount of weight that you can actually carry and just using that weight until you can get up to the higher weight. So if you're in the middle stages of, let's say you can lift a 10 pretty easily and you're good at lifting up a 10, but a 15 is like, okay, I kind of have to use a little crutch. Just use the 10, do more reps until you can build the strength to use the 15 and do it correctly. So this is the incorrect form right here where we're digging into our sides and using our abs as a crutch to bring the dumbbell up. And the correct form is just bringing the arm up independently. There's no crutches, there's no, straining of your body, and you're not rocking as well. So people also do rock when they do bicep curls, just like this. Sometimes you can do both, rock and dig your hands in or your elbows in. So that's the correct form here. You want to stay individually to yourself. The arm stays independent and the body is independent, okay? That's proper form. Let's stay away from this. And then the last thing, I'm gonna grab a bench and I'm gonna show you the chest press. So the last thing I wanna show is the chest press. And this sometimes is overlooked because, mostly guys do this workout, to be honest. Girls, we don't see too many girls chest pressing. So here we go. Now, for the chest press, your arms come up and then they come over to your sides. The wrong form is to come down this far. So the elbows have dipped, the shoulders are resting on the bench, and you're in this position. And you come up and you're lifting a ton of weight, but you're coming all the way down here and you're resting and you're kind of cheating because you're not keeping the tension on the muscles, and then you're pushing up again, back down, and we're doing the same cycle. Also, sometimes I see guys arching their back like this because they think this is gonna get them more, muscle, strength. So what you wanna do is fix your back first. So back should be flat as possible to the bench, nice and relaxed position. I like to come up like this because you can feel your back fall into the bench and feel comfortable, then the legs lower, okay? Next you wanna do is bring your arms up into the position, and you wanna lower them down into a 90-degree angle. So shoulders and elbows are parallel in a nice diagonal, not parallel. I don't know. It's all going in one straight line though, okay? So here to here, 90 degrees and back up. Keeping the tension on the chest, keeping the tension, the tricep, the bicep, everything here. So we're going here and we're going up. This is the proper form for the chest press. Notice the back is flat to the bench. If you even have to like flex a little bit and pull your pelvis forward, so you'll notice this, but if you go like this, kind of like you're push your abs down, actually. That's a good way to say it. So you can see the difference here versus this and then pushing the abs down. So push your abs in, like suck it in, and you wanna bring your elbows here, 90 degrees and farther. 90 degrees and back up. So this is a no-no. Try not to do this. This is not good form. This is not keeping the tension. You're not gonna get the full effects of the weight by doing this right here. You're just cheating yourself and you're doing the exercise incorrectly. So make sure when you come down, you're at that nice even 90 degrees and you push yourself back up. It also would help if you used weight that wasn't beyond your capacity. You wanna push yourselves, but you can also push yourselves in by increasing your reps. You can also do a different types of things to increase your strength. So never overextend yourself because you could injure yourself, and I hope you guys use these tips when you're working upper body. Don't forget, you guys, January's calendar is in the description box. I will leave a link on the screen so you guys can work out with me, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.